Here we have our Nephron model. Let's first go through some of the blood vessels here. If we start here, you have the arcuate vein along with the arcuate artery. On the opposite side, also arcuate vein, arcuate artery. You can see the renal corpuscles represented here and here and here in green. If we follow the arcuate artery, you have cortical radiate artery along with the cortical radiate vein, cortical radiate artery along with the cortical radiate vein. There's an afferent arteriole, which will lead to the renal corpuscle, and here's a little efferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole. Notice this efferent arteriole leads to our peritubular capillary network. Notice once again the red to blue transition there. Then we take a look a little bit lower here. You'll see this afferent arteriole, once again, leads to a renal corpuscle, which will lead you to the efferent arteriole there. And then the efferent arteriole leads us to our vasorecta, the vasorecta here. Taking a look at nephrons, you have a cortical nephron represented more superficially there, a juxtamedullary nephron represented here a little bit lower. And in order to identify the parts, you'll see the proximal convoluted tubule represented in orange. Proximal convoluted tubule leads you to a descending limb of the nephron loop. We come all the way down, then we go up the ascending limb of the nephron loop over here on the right side. There's your distal convoluted tubule in that grayish purplish color, which will lead you to a collecting duct, which is here in yellow. And then ultimately, that leads you to the papillary duct here at the most inferior aspect. You can do that also with the cortical nephron. Once again, proximal convoluted tubule in orange. You got that descending limb of the nephron loop. You come up the ascending limb of the nephron loop. Then you move through the distal convoluted tubule. Then you're back at your collecting duct. Once again, leading you down to your papillary duct right here.